Bodywel T16 Pro 14-inch adults mini electric bike review. Honest, real-world commuter results. You researched e-bikes for 2 weeks, stared at your tiny flat, looked at your car boot, and quietly gave up because nothing would actually fit your life. Then you kept commuting the slow, sweaty, annoying way. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Because here is the thing. The problem was never motivation. It was always the wrong size bike. Every full-size e-bike feels suffocating when your storage is a hallway corner and your commute ends with 3 flights of stairs. You scroll past options knowing none of them fold small enough. What if compact actually meant capable this time? Because one folding city bike is quietly changing the calculation for people who swore they would never find something that truly fit. Then I put on my helmet, unfolded the Bodywel T16 Pro 14-inch adults mini electric bike, and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any folding mini electric bike. Make sure it has a front suspension fork and genuine disc brakes so you never feel that bone-rattling white-knuckle ride that budget compact bikes are famous for. First superpower, the 250-watt brushless motor with 400-watt peak climbs moderate hills without drama, so steep side streets stop being a reason to avoid the route. Second, 3 riding modes mean you choose effort level daily, from full pedal to pure electric. Third, the IPX5 waterproof rating means light rain is no longer a reason to cancel. Fourth, the step-through frame lets you mount and dismount fast in traffic without a circus act. Fifth, the folded footprint fits a car boot, a desk corner, or a lift floor without negotiation. Sixth, front and rear lights mean visibility is never an excuse. One customer said their bike gallops up steep hills even on the lowest assist setting. Nobody talks about the pedal-only mode for fitness days, but it changes everything. Here is how the proof stacks up. You save the commute stress first. Then you gain back the parking decision. Then your morning routine stops being a negotiation. Then people start asking what you are riding. Twice the Bikes called it surprisingly solid, clean finished, and better than expected for a budget mini e-bike, which is not a line reviewers throw around lightly. A L'Avanguardia editorial gave it a 7.6 out of 10, calling the format, equipment, and price a strong combination for urban riders who accept its compact limits. One industry analyst noted the front suspension and disc brakes are unusual extras at this price bracket, which separates it from cheaper alternatives immediately. At Tristock said gallops up steep hills even in the lowest pedal assist, with no battery bars lost after 2 full trips. I watched someone fold this bike, slide it into a car boot, and close the boot in under 45 seconds. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for portability, 2 for hill performance, 3 for the rain rating. Now, about the price concern. A compact foldable e-bike with suspension and disc brakes at this level is genuinely rare, and that math holds up. Drop your reaction below. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire commute without giving up a single square foot of living space. The Bodywel T16 Pro 14-inch adults mini electric bike solves the one thing every city rider eventually hits. A real e-bike that actually fits your actual life. First link in the description, I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. Go see the full details, check the specs, and decide for yourself. You already know this fits.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.